Dear students, in this video we will solve the language study and live English question from the lesson Think Before You Speak. इस लेसन के लैंग्वेज स्टडी और लाइव इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस और आंसर के एक्सप्लेनेशन और ट्रांसलेशन वाला वीडियो मैंने एक बनाया है जो मेरे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है। अगर आप उसको देखना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और 9 क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के हर लेसन के हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का मैंने एक पीडीएफ और ई बुक तैयार किया है। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं, परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको खरीद सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको पहले कमेंट में मिलेगा। Now we will start the language study questions, and the first language study question is read the following sentences. A very wise man once remarked that of the unspoken word you are a master, of the spoken word you are a slave. The sentence has two pairs of opposites, spoken and unspoken, and master and slave. The contrasting ideas make the sentence more effective. Putting together opposite or contrasting ideas in one sentence is a literary device. It is called antithesis. Read the following examples of antithesis. Give every man thy ear, but few thy voice. Man proposes, God disposes. Speech is silver, but silence is gold. Patience is bitter, but it has a sweet fruit. This question is find some examples of antithesis from your mother tongue and translate them into English. तो यहाँ पे मैंने उर्दू और मराठी में सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं और उसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन भी लिखा है। तो उर्दू इज दिन के उजाले में तू, रात के अंधेरे में तू, एंड मराठी इज तुम्ही दिवसाच्या प्रकाशात आणि रात्रीच्या अंधारात आहात, एंड द ट्रांसलेशन इज यू आर इन द लाइट ऑफ द डे एंड इन द डार्कनेस ऑफ नाइट. जमीन खुश थी पर आसमान रो रहा था, पृथ्वी खुश होती पण आभाळ रडत होता. सो इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन इज द अर्थ वॉज हैप्पी बट द स्काई वॉज क्राइंग. हर चीज सफेद या काली नहीं होती, सर्व काही काळा आणि पांढरा नाही. सो इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन इज एवरीथिंग इज नॉट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. 7 क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव सीन दैट क्लॉजेज आर पार्ट्स ऑफ ए सेंटेंस एंड दे आर क्लासिफाइड एज मेन एंड सबऑर्डिनेट और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेज. Dependent clauses can be further classified as follows according to the work they do in a sentence. So in this chart we can see that clauses has two categories, main clauses and dependent or subordinate clauses. And dependent clause and subordinate clauses can be classified and divided into 3 subcategories. One is noun clause, second is adjective clause, third is adverb clause. How do we decide whether a clause is a noun clause, an adjective clause or an adverb clause? There is a simple rule. We can replace an adverb clause with an adverb, an adjective clause with an adjective, and a noun clause with a noun. Look at the following examples. But I don't know the answer. So here the word answer is a noun, but I don't know what they want. So here the sentence what they want is a noun clause. He told us a funny story. So here the word funny is an adjective. He told us a story that was funny. So here the sentence that was funny is an adjective clause. They went away. So here the word away is an adverb. And the next sentence is they went when you were talking to your friend. So here when you were talking to your friend sentence is an adverb clause. Now complete the following on your own. But I don't know the way to home. So here the way is a noun. But I don't know what road goes to home. So here what road goes to home sentence is a noun clause. He told us a scary story. So here the word scary is an adjective. He told us a story that was scary. Here the sentence that was scary is an adjective clause. They went back. So here the word back is an adverb. They went where they came from. So here the sentence where they came from is an adverb clause. 8th question is think before you use. Name some ready to eat and ready to cook food items available in the market. Discuss the following in the groups. So answer is ready to eat food items. Number 1 is chips, 2 is wafers, third is pizza, and fourth is burger. Ready to cook food items is number 1 noodles, second pasta, and third is oats. A activity is discuss whether it is necessary to use such items and why they are sold. So answer is no, it is not necessary to use such items, but they are still sold because some people cannot cook their food and sometimes they do not have much time to cook. And these food items are very tasty. So people sometimes use them for the change in the taste. Sentence B is discuss the possible adverse effect of such food items. So answer is there are many possible adverse effects of such food items like obesity. It can damage the digestive system and humans can develop some diseases and conditions like diabetes and some heart related issues. Now we will start the live English questions and answers. To solve the questions, we have to look carefully at this wrapper. The question is given above is the picture of an imaginary food item packet. Let us see how to read the matter on the packet as a vigilant customer. The question is look at the wrapper and complete the sentences. So sentence A is the name of the food item is Mooney Oodles. Second sentence is it is made by Mooney Foods Corporation Limited. Third is it's a veg or non-veg food item, so it's a veg food item. Fourth is the sign. So here the sign you can see a green dot. So this sign indicates whether it is a veg or non-veg food item. And fifth sentence is the ingredients are. So ingredients are wheat flour, vegetable oil, palm oil, green tea extract, salt, stabilizer, guar gum, carbonates, sodium and potassium. Sixth is the date of packing is and expiry date is. So answer is the date of packing is 27 June 2017 and the expiry date is 27th February 2018. Seventh question is it should be consumed before from the date of manufacturing. So answer is it should be consumed before 8th month from the date of manufacturing. Next activity is try and obtain more information about the various symbols printed on the packet. So on this packet we can see the scissor symbol or the scissor icon. So it means we have to cut the packet from here. And the second symbol is the pot. You can see the steps of cooking. So we have to follow these steps to cook these noodles. At the bottom you can see a man throwing something in a trash bin or dustbin. So it means you have to put this packet or you have to keep this packet in a dustbin. And the triangle means this packet should be recycled or it has been recycled. Next point is discuss the following. So first is why the recipe is given on the packet. So answer is the recipe is given on the packet so that the consumer can refer to it while cooking the noodles and follow the instructions. Second is why the packet tells us to visit the website of the company. So answer is the packet tells us to visit the website of the company to get more delicious recipes. Third is what ideas are used to make the packet attractive. So answer is different colors and fonts are used and there are many signs and symbols also added to make the packet attractive. Fourth question is how you will verify whether something is good for you to eat. So answer is we can see the ingredients of food and check them whether it is good for us or not. Then we can verify whether something is good for us to eat or not. B question is collect the outer covering of fast food items. Discuss the following points in groups and then write your observation in your notebook. So here you can see a packet of dal tadka which is ready to eat food item. So we will write the information about this packet. So first is ingredients. So mildly spicy yellow lentils, tomatoes, onion, fresh green chilies and aromatic spices. Nutrition facts. So first is energy 132 kilocalories. Second is carbohydrate, so 11 grams. Third is sugar, 0 grams. Fourth is total fat, 8 grams. Fifth is saturated fatty acid, 4 grams. Sixth is monosaturated fatty acid, so it is 3.2 grams. Seventh is polyunsaturated fatty acid, so it is 0.8 grams. And eighth is trans fatty acid, so it is 0 gram. Ninth is protein, 0 gram. 10th is fiber, 2 gram. 11th is cholesterol, nil. And 12th is sodium, 386 milligram. It is manufactured by Haldiram and the maximum retail price is 90 rupees and it weighs or net weight is 300 grams and manufacturing date is 12th November 2021. And it's a veg item and the website is www.haldirams.com. Recipe, other instruction if any. So it's a ready to eat item, so we just have to heat it up in a microwave for 5 to 10 minutes and we can eat it. 7th question is work in groups and prepare an attractive wrapper or packet for any product of your choice. Prepare an advertisement for your packet. So this activity should be done by the student in the classroom or at their home. D is you want to convince the customer to buy your product. Prepare a conversation between you and the customer about it. So answer is customer, hello, I want to buy some ready to cook food item. Me, sure, we have many such food items, but this is the best among them. It is made from organic ingredients and we do not add any artificial color in it. It has very low calories and it also tastes really good, and it just costs 10 rupees each. Customer, oh great, then I will buy 5 of them. Here is your 50 rupees. Me, thank you very much. Have a great day. E question is, your younger sister wants to eat something tasty. You are telling her the recipe of one such food item. Prepare a dialogue about it. So answer, younger sister, I am craving to eat something tasty but I don't know what to cook. So me, you can cook khichdi. It is easy to cook and it tastes good and it is also very healthy. Younger sister, but I don't know how to cook it. Me, you just have to add oil first in the pressure cooker, then add chopped onions along with ginger and garlic paste and turmeric powder. Once it is cooked, add water and let it cook for some time. When the water started to boil, add the washed rice and stir it, then close the lid of the pressure cooker. After 3 whistles, turn off the heat. You can serve it after 5 to 10 minutes. Younger sister, thank you. It seems easy. I will give it a try. So these were the language study and live English questions. I hope कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखे होंगे. अगर आप लोगों का कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछिए. वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिए और इसी तरह की इंफॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आई विल सी